Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding baby collection. Baby footwear collection, baby footwear, boot designs, crochet boot designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of baby crochet boot design. Those babies who loves to wear such type of boot design. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy, so I suggest you must watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet boot design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of baby crochet boot design? Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Your babies can wear when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress design, matching dress color. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.